Hi everyone, I'm Shriya Tamam. Today I want to walk you through how you can upload your file at DLSurf. DLSurf is for creators. It is not just a place to store files. DLSurf is a platform which rewards you for what you create and share. Now let's visit DLSurf. You can log into your account, and once you are logged in, you can simply click on upload button, which is at the top left corner, and then choose your file. You can choose your file details by yourself, or you can use our AI and you can give prompt about your file. Review your AI suggestions and select destination folder if required, and now click on continue, and here choose how you wish to monetize your file. You can either choose ad or set a price. Now click continue to set the visibility of your file. Either you want to keep it private, public, or followers only. Now finally you can save your upload. Once uploading is completed, you can view your file and share it to the audience. And when someone downloads and purchases your file, you get paid. Thank you.